Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to open XTB live trading account step by step. So go onto the website, how to apply for a trading account. That will bring you to the homepage. And then from here, we can press create an account. So when you sign up on the website, it's saying that you need to go in, scan the QR code, and then download the app. And then here we can activate and verify the account within the app. So go ahead and do that. So once you're on the app, you need to go to open account, and here choose your country, press confirm, enter an email address. So go ahead and do that. And here we can put in a referral code if you have that here. After you've put in your email address, you need to set a password. And then once you've done that, they will be creating your account. So this should not take more than 1 minute. And after that, your account will be created. Then from here, we can further activate the account and also putting in your phone number here. So go ahead and do that. And then they will send a verification code to your number. So go ahead and input that. And here they'll ask your basic personal details of name. So go ahead and fill out this also. And then date of birth. And then it will ask you to type in your address. So then you'll need to put in your address details. After that, you need to put in your national insurance number. And then tax residence details. So go ahead and do this. And then they will ask you about some financials and experience. So go ahead and start this also. Here they'll ask you basic questions about your annual income. Just go ahead and fill out these. Select how you would describe your risk tolerance level. And then your goals for investing. Select whether you are a politically exposed person. And then finally, agree to all. Press continue. And then they'll be finalizing your activation. So once they have done this, they will notify you an app as soon as your activation is complete. And as you can see, my activation is complete. I need to verify my identity now. Once you verify your identity, your account will be activated. Then that means you will be able to deposit funds into your account. So I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon. Once you have verified your identity, you will need to verify your address. So go ahead and do this. Upload your proof of address. And then here it says you're all set with verification steps. We will now review details. This process may take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, so they'll notify us. So from here, we just got to wait. So I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.